Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio on your Android phone. If you're looking to install it as an app, it's important to know that Google AI Studio is primarily a web-based tool, so you access it through your mobile browser instead of installing it from the Play Store. First, open your preferred web browser on your Android phone such as Google Chrome. Next, go to the Google AI Studio website and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll access to the AI Studio dashboard where you can create prompts, test AI models, and manage your projects. For a more app-like experience, tap the browser menu in the top right corner and select Add to Home Screen or Install App if that option is available on your device. Confirm the action, and a shortcut to Google AI Studio will be added to your home screen. From then on, you can launch Google AI Studio directly from your home screen just like a regular app without opening your browser first. Make sure you have a stable internet connection since Google AI Studio works online and requires access to your Google account. And that's it. That's how you can use Google AI Studio on an Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.